Hello and welcome. This is Ahmed Ali, and today I'm coming to you with a brand new system, which is a done for you marketing funnel called Infinity Cash System. Actually, I was working on this one for the last couple of months, and this system was designed to help anybody who's promoting any kind of online business to activate multiple income streams and generate unlimited viral traffic to your primary business every single month. And you'll be able to embed any kind of primary business you have. If you have a business opportunity, make money online offer, or maybe your own product, you just need to embed your link there and enjoy unlimited free viral traffic. And the great thing is you can set up and activate the system for absolutely free. Are you tired of struggling to make money online? Do you feel lost as a newbie or need more traffic and income as an experienced marketer? Imagine activating up to 5 income streams effortlessly, earning up to $3,000 to $5,000 per month and beyond, while generating up to 1 million visitors per month to your primary business, all from one powerful system. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced marketer craving more traffic and income, our done for you system is designed for you. No more confusion or failure, just real results. And the best part, you can start today for absolutely free. So don't miss on this opportunity to transform your online income. So to get instant free access to the Infinity Cash system, click on the first link in the description of this video if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on any other platform, then you're going to find the link somewhere in the description of that video as well. So click on that link right now, and I'll see you on the next video with all the details.